So yesterday, as far as this, I finished the data store. Yeah, I finished all the data stuff. So saves, loads. I set up stuff for the future that I don't have done now, like inventory skills and spells, because there's no spells, skills, or items. But like when I do add them, I have them saved. So yeah, I changed around some stuff. Like I moved this was stage and rank before, but I just made it one thing, core stage, and it's gonna be like 1 to like 15, and like every 3 stages new colors. So like 1 to 3 are red, dark red, red, bright red, like that, and then it goes to orange or whatever. I don't know, this, I'm not sure how I'm gonna work this out, but yeah, that's the general idea so far. So this was the mana regen that I started. um Pretty much this is the local script, so this just gets input and it sends. So okay, the idea behind this, right? Where is it? Mana regen. This is just gonna be for every single value that I'm gonna increase. It's gonna, it's as the player is gonna, whatever the value is, like whatever that. Should I don't remember what it's called, bro. I'm not good with all the dialect, bro. I don't know. But yeah, I'll just leave your value for now. But yeah, so the local script, when you hold down shift, it it fires the server and it tells the server, hey, you want to change mana and you want to make it go up by 1/100th of their max mana value. So it sends mana and it sends the value 1/100th. So that's what the amount and the value are right here. Value is, I really shouldn't have that as value, but I'll change that later. But yeah. And then what I'm gonna do now is fill this in and get it working, and then I'll try making like some type of animation and then probably an effect, which I'm not gonna go crazy with those. It's probably gonna be something simple. But yeah. Okay, starting off, I just realized yeah, this ain't gonna work really, cause like it's not gonna work out the way I want it to in my head. Like basically I want to use this for like everything, but without using like a if value mana. Like I want to do it without that statement, but I'm gonna have to do it anyways because this is based on the max mana, but it's changing the current mana, so I'm gonna have to get both. And so yeah, whatever. By the way, I've done this like I've done this same thing like I don't even know how many times I've done just like a mana regen script and stuff like that, but it's like I change it every time and I don't know why. It happens. So I finished for the majority for the script part, but we gonna test it. This is mana, and now I'm all shift. What the okay, test part 2. Yeah, I just I put a divide instead of a multiply, so that happened and it works. Low-key, this might be a bit fast, but I don't know. I'll tweak it if I feel the need to. But yeah, that works. It's done. Here's the code if you were curious for any reason, and then here's the input, and then yeah. Okay, so I just walked away for like 20 minutes and came back, but yeah, I'm not gonna do an animation because I've realized I made it to where you could walk when you're charging, so I don't really have an idea for an animation yet, so I'm gonna just leave it as it is, and I might change that. Like you might not be able to walk, I don't know, I'll figure it out later, but I'll just make an effect for now. So yeah, so I really didn't do much for the VFX. It's literally just this. Yeah, but I got it to work, and Yeah. The thing that took the most time was the weld, and that took probably 15 seconds. Just because I put this to character instead of torso, and it has to be, part 0 has to be a part, it can't be a model. That's why. Yeah, that took the most time. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I also started on combat, I guess. I don't even know if I'm gonna end up using all this, but yeah, other than that, I don't really do much. I might come back later and add like stats using this, like to where you can upgrade your stats if you have stat points and stuff, but I'll probably wait till tomorrow or the next day, that way I can make like just a quick UI. But I'll keep y'all updated or whatever. So yeah, peace.